Why is it that so many of us guys over 60 can bust our humps doing 100 daily push-ups, literally sweating bullets every single morning, but when we actually look in the mirror, we kinda still look completely frail? Welcome to This Explainer. I'm sharing my personal story today because, man, I hit 60, I was doing the gritty work, and I still felt like I looked tiny. I honestly thought my daily push-up routine was the golden ticket to waking up looking like a Greek god. But here's the brutal truth I had to swallow. Those basic push-ups are great for building your chest, for sure, but they were leaving my arms and my overall frame looking completely flat. It is incredibly frustrating to put in that kind of sweat equity and not see the powerhouse physique you've totally earned.
So, I really had to sit down and ask myself, why do you still look small? It's a terrifying feeling, right? That deep-seated fear that, as we age, our arms are just going to look like deflated balloons hanging off our shoulders no matter how hard we grind. You start wondering if your best days are just permanently stuck in the rearview mirror. But hey, listen to me. Do not throw in the towel just yet. Because what I discovered is that there is a super fast, completely natural cheat code to building a massive, powerful frame. I actually found a specific 3-move solution that totally transformed my physique. Now I'm going to keep those exact 3 moves under wraps for just a minute or two. Because first, you really need to understand exactly why your current routine is completely sabotaging you.
You see, this was my massive personal aha moment. I was cranking out my 100 daily push-ups, thinking I was absolutely crushing it. But the truth is, push-ups only really blast the chest and the front deltoids, and your front delts already get plenty of work from everyday lifting and pressing. The big problem here is that relying only on push-ups leaves you with zero 3D shoulder width. I realized my front-heavy workouts were leaving my physique looking totally weak and super narrow from the straight-on view. We're literally entirely neglecting the sides of our shoulders, and that right there is exactly why we still look small. We have an absolute, urgent need to address those ignored side delts.
Now, the real secret here comes down to the actual science of aesthetics, specifically something called the V-taper. If you want that powerful frame where your waist looks tight and your back looks massive, you cannot just bench press your way there. The V-taper is this incredible 3-dimensional aesthetic created strictly by maximizing your side and rear deltoid width. It is the ultimate data-driven cheat code for guys our age. By simply adding width to the top of our frame, we create this awesome optical illusion. It actually makes the waist look smaller and the chest look way broader. It's not about getting bulky like some 20-year-old bodybuilder. No, it's about strategically building those ignored muscles to reclaim a strong, powerful, athletic look.
Okay, let's dive into move 1, leaning lateral raises.
I gotta be honest with you guys, for years I was doing this completely wrong. I used to grab these heavy dumbbells, stand straight up, and heave the weight up like a confused bird trying to take flight. But let's break down the clinical biomechanics here. When you stand straight up and hold a weight at your side, gravity pulls straight down through your arm. Muscle growth at the bottom of the movement? Zero. Zilch. But when you lean out away from a support, you completely change the resistance curve. Gravity is now pulling the weight across your body's angle. The result? You get this constant burning tension on that side deltoid from the very first inch of the movement. It completely fixes the tension gap and builds functional strength incredibly fast.
So the absolutely crucial part here is the execution. You gotta follow these steps exactly. Step 1, grab a light dumbbell. If you don't have one, dude, just use a big water bottle or load up a heavy backpack. Step 2, find a sturdy door frame, hold on with one hand, put your feet near the base, and lean your body out sideways. Let your working arm hang straight down. Step 3, raise that free arm with total control. Do not rush it. And here is the golden rule for this. Keep your shoulders pressed down. If you shrug your shoulders up towards your ears, your traps are going to steal all the work. Finally, step 4, keep the form perfect and execute 3 sets of 15 reps. Just watch those shoulders start to fill out. Moving right along, here is move 2, face pulls.
Now that we're building some serious width, we gotta fix the damage. Modern life has completely wrecked our upper backs. We literally spend hours hunched over steering wheels and staring down at smartphones, which gives us this awful tech neck posture. After a decade of looking down, your rear delts just disappear, giving you that frail, old man look. We want the confident alpha V-taper posture. Developing the rear deltoids actually creates these literal springs that pull your shoulders back and make your chest pop naturally. It's the ultimate posture fix. You are going to look taller, wider, and infinitely more confident just by standing there.
Here is the highly clinical, incredibly safe home setup to make that happen. Step 1, take a towel or resistance band and anchor it over a door. Step 2, grab it with both hands and step back so you get some tension. Step 3, pull your hands backward, right towards your forehead. And step 4, execute 3 sets of 20 slow, controlled reps. Notice I said slow and controlled. This is not an ego lift, guys. You do not want to jerk heavy weights around here. We are using high reps to flush the muscle with blood and gently strengthen those rotator cuffs. Believe me, your joints will absolutely thank you for this one.
I really want you to burn this vivid imagery into your brain while you do this movement. Squeeze your shoulder blades as if you are trying to crack a walnut in your upper back. That is the exact mind-muscle connection you need. Don't just pull with your arms, pull with your back. When your hands get near your forehead, pause for a split second and really try to smash that imaginary walnut between your shoulder blades. That squeeze, that's exactly where the magic happens. It protects your joints and safely builds those deep, thick rear delts that completely anchor your posture.
And finally, we arrive at move 3, pike push-ups. If you want dominant 3D shoulders, you simply cannot ignore vertical pressing. But let's face it, heavy barbell presses can be absolute murder on older joints. That's exactly why this move is the absolute king of calisthenics for older guys. Step 1, get on the floor in a downward dog position. Step 2, walk your feet toward your hands until your hips are hiked high up in the air. You really want your torso to be as vertical as possible. Step 3, lower the top of your head down toward the floor with total control. And Step 4, execute 3 sets of 8 to 10 perfect reps. Now, if the full pike is too tough right now, modify it. Bend your knees a little, or put your hands up on a sturdy chair to change the angle. But absolutely do not skip this move. It is 100% essential for capping off those shoulders.
The message here is super simple. Skip the gym machines. You do not need to drop cash on a fancy gym membership or wait in line for some shoulder press machine. The real beauty of this explainer is that it's entirely based on minimalist, home-based fitness. We are relying on data-driven physics, targeted angles, and natural body movements. A doorway, a towel, gravity, and the will to work. That is literally the whole shebang. That's all you need to completely transform your frame from narrow and frail to wide and incredibly powerful.
I want to leave you with this final thought today. Stop the excuses, work hard, get strong, and never settle for average. Guys, if all we do is complain about getting older and feeling smaller, literally nothing is going to change. But if you actually want to transform, you have the exact blueprint right now. Prioritize those side and rear delts today, but I want you to ask yourself this one provocative question. Once you fix your frame and reclaim your strength, what other inevitable parts of aging are actually just a myth waiting to be busted? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Now go crush those shoulders.